that? What's that up there?
It's called the filter.
Oh, it fills water.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look at that plant. I hook. Oh! Soccer ball. Aww, so cute. That is so cute.
That was a good present from the Easter Bunny, huh, bud? You like your fish?
Aww, so cute.
We'll have to name them. What are we going to name them?
We already named them.
What did you name them?
That one, my name.
You named them Mommy, Daddy, Nate, and James?
Mm-hmm.
Well, what about the fifth one?
That's Sahil. That's Sahil.
Sahil.
We're at the park. They're at the park.
They're at the park right now, the fish?